Welcome to M Paradiso Fashion. Here is a soft and comfortable baby outfit. Next, stylish cotton dresses for girls. They come in fun patterns, bright colors, and are made to last. We also offer t-shirts, trousers, jackets, and baby sets.
So if you want your child to look neat, stylish, and well-dressed every single day, visit us today. M Paradiso Fashion.
Do you want to create professional advertisement videos for your business so you can attract more customers on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or even for TV commercials, but you don't have a camera, lighting, a presenter, or editing skills? Don't worry, I'm here to teach you how to create high-quality business advertisement videos using AI. Before we continue, please subscribe to this channel so you can always be the first to receive new videos whenever we upload. The most important things you need are just a smartphone or a computer, and you don't need any special skills. All you need are AI tools. The first step is to prepare a script that clearly explains your business. For example, if you sell clothes, write a script describing the clothes available in your shop. This applies to any type of business. If you don't have a script or you don't know how to write one, you can use ChatGPT AI to create a script about your business. You will also write a description of the presenter you want to appear in your advertisement, including their features and appearance, as well as the name of your business or brand. We will start by opening Whisk AI, which is found on Google Labs. I have placed the Google Labs link in the video description. Once you click the link, you will be taken to Google Labs, then select Whisk and open it. After opening Whisk AI, sign up by creating an account using your email. That is the easiest way. When it opens, go to the section labeled Describe Your Idea or Roll the Dice for prompt ideas. Here, you will type a detailed description of what you want. For example, you will describe how you want your presenter to look, maybe a dark-skinned woman with long hair. And you will describe the environment, such as a men's shoe shop or whatever business you want to represent. Write everything you want to appear in your advertisement video. For example, I will write something like this: a beautiful African female presenter with long, well-styled hair, standing inside a modern and stylish children's clothing store. The store is bright, colorful, and filled with neatly arranged kids' clothes and school bags. She is smiling warmly while holding a children's outfit in one hand and a colorful school bag in the other. The background shows a classy, well-organized shop with baby clothes, kids' outfits, and school backpacks on shelves and racks. At the back of the store, there is a glowing neon sign that reads M Paradiso Fashion, shining brightly with a modern, sparkling effect. The overall vibe is attractive, professional, lively, high-resolution, and realistic. After writing your description, click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Once the generation is complete, your images will appear. Choose the one you like best for your advertisement. If none of them look good, you can generate again using the same description. If you want to change anything, simply edit the text and generate again. After choosing the picture you want, click on it and then click on this button. You will be taken to this page where you will enter the words you want the presenter to speak in your business advertisement. For example, I will write this: Welcome to M Paradiso Fashion. Here, we bring you high-quality children's clothing from newborn to school age, along with modern school bags for kids. Our quality is excellent, the colors are beautiful, and the prices are friendly for every parent. Visit our store today and get outfits and bags that will make your child stand out every day. M Paradiso Fashion, where children shine and parents smile. Then click Generate again and wait a few moments. After it finishes, listen carefully to the
Welcome to
advertisement.
Paradiso Fashion. Here is a soft and comfortable baby outfit. Next, stylish cotton dresses for girls.
Don't be surprised if the video is only 8 seconds long and some words are missing. This is normal because the generated videos currently end at 8 seconds. Don't let that confuse you. We fix that next. First, download the video. Then, delete the words that were already spoken and keep only the part that was not spoken. Generate again. After it finishes, download it. Again, remove the words that have already been used and leave the remaining part only. Then generate again. Repeat the process until your entire script is voiced. When you have downloaded all the parts, merge them together using a video editor like CapCut, and your advertisement will look like this.
Welcome to Paradiso Fashion. Here we bring you high-quality children's clothing from newborn to school age, along with modern school bags for kids. Our quality is excellent, the colors are beautiful, and the prices are friendly for every parent. Visit our store today to get outfits and bags that will make your child stand out every day. In Paradiso Fashion Club, where children shine and parents smile.